Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. And this is me, Umair, and today I'm going to build a Minecraft sword. So without wasting your time, let's make this sword. So let's move on to the computer screen. Guys, this is a sword which I'm going to build using my CNC machine. So today guys, stay with me and let's enjoy the videos. Guys, now the machine has been started and you can see, let me change the view. So guys, as you can see the machine start and now it clears the pocket. Actually it's a pocket program. Guys, let me show something else. The outside environment is totally clear and it's after raining. So now let's see. Guys, this is the surrounding of our department and now looks to the sky. Wow, what a cloud. And this is my office. Wow, amazing. Guys, see what I have made. Some work is remaining and now I will do some upgradation there. So we will see the final product at the end of the video. Guys, wait for the last moment. Guys, using the sandpaper, I am going to clean the edge of the sword. So when it get clean, and at the evening time I will color the center of the sword in which is pocket, and we will see at the evening guys. So now I am going to clear the edges. So guys, stay together and like, subscribe my channel. Hi guys, I am at home now using red color. I am going to paint this pocket and the result might seem fantabulous. So guys, stick with me and also like and subscribe my channel. So I have the red wine color. I am going to fill this pocket and we will see the final result. So stay with me.